Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn the basic introduction of SQL. So what is SQL? Structured Query Language. So what is SQL? Structured Query Language. So this is the basic introduction class. So let's not waste the time and let's get into the class. The first one is class description. Welcome to our SQL tutorial for beginners. In this course, I will be covering the basics of SQL, database management systems, SQL, or structured query language. As a programming language is used to manage and manipulate data in relational database management system, RDMS. Through this course, we will explore topics such as schema design, basic CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations, aggregations, and nested queries, and joins, keys, and more. So we will see all these things in the upcoming videos and the course outline. So what are the things we have to learn, like we will learn in the future videos and future classes. So those are introduction to SQL and database management system. First one is what is database? Tables and keys, SQL basics, creating tables, inserting data, constraints, update and delete, basic queries, company database introduction, creating a company database, more basic queries, functions, wildcards, unions, joins, nested queries, on delete, triggers, ER diagrams introductions, designing an ER diagram, converting ER diagram to schemas. Course objectives. Understand the basics of SQL and database management system, and learn how to design and create database using SQL, and understand how to perform basic CRUD operations using SQL, and learn how to use aggregations, nested queries, joins, and other advanced SQL techniques, and understand how to design and implement database schemas using ER diagrams. So all these things you will see in the future classes. So these are the things we will learn. And target audience. This course is designed for beginners to SQL and database management systems. No prior knowledge of SQL or programming is required. So to learn this code, there is no coding knowledge is required. So you can watch this course without the coding knowledge also. And the final conclusion, by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the basis of SQL and database management systems. You will be able to design and create databases and perform basic CRUD operations and use advanced SQL techniques to manipulate and analyze data. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn SQL from scratch or a professional looking to brush up on your skills, this course is perfect for you. So this is the basic introduction of the class and the basic introduction to the SQL, and these are the course outline. These things, these 21 things we will learn this course. We will learn in this course. So I hope you understand the basic introduction of SQL and the course outline. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video, and subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.